Hi, this is Nihan from Mezix. In today's video, we will look at structure of web pages, introduction to HTML, what is a markup language and what is a hypertext. A typical web page is made up of three separate layers that work together to deliver an experience to the user. There is a content layer, or the information you see on the page. There is a presentation layer that handles how the information looks, and the behavior layer that lets user interact with that page. CSS or cascading style sheets provide the presentation layer and create visual style of web pages using colors, typography, layout, and more. The behavior layer is handled by JavaScript to add interactivity to the page. What is HTML? HTML is the skeleton of all web pages. It's often the first language learned by developers, marketers, and designers, and is core to front and end development. So, what exactly is HTML? HTML provides the structure to the content appearing on a website, such as images, text, or videos. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is a markup language? A markup language is a computer language that defines the structure and the presentation of raw text. In HTML, the computer can interpret raw text that is wrapped in HTML elements. What is a hypertext? Hypertext is a text displayed on a computer or device that provides the access to the other text through links. This is also known as hyperlinks. You probably clicked on a couple of hyperlinks on your way to YouTube. So, learning HTML is the first step in creating websites, but even a bit of knowledge can help you inject code snippets into newsletters, blogs, or website templates. As you continue learning, you can layer HTML with CSS and JavaScript to create visually compiling and dynamic websites. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.